In this video, I am going to guide about how to contact Lyft support. Whether you have a ride issue, payment problem or account concern, getting help is important. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. 3. Scroll down and select help from the menu. 4. Browse through the topics to find answers to common issues. 5. If you need direct assistance, tap on contact support. 6. Choose between chat, email or phone support based on availability. 7. For urgent matters, call Lyft's critical response line at following number. 8. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect with the Lyft representative. If phone support is unavailable, use in-app chat for quick help. Visit Lyft's help center on their website for more options. Lyft support team is available to assist with ride and driver concerns.